Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is about to be the 7th day of Advent of Code. I have completely lost track of time. I have no idea what day it is. I have no idea what time it is. I just look at my calendar every morning. Speaking of calendar every morning, the dumbest thing happened to me today. Well, a series of dumb events. We'll put it that way. So the first is, my car had a recall notice for the software for the rear view camera. And I was like, well, I guess I'll take it in and get the thing set up. So I called like 3 weeks ago. And they're like, oh, sorry, we're busy right now. We'll give you a call back. And I'm like, okay, whatever. Called 2 weeks ago and I was like, hey, I called last week. You were busy then. Can you give me an appointment? And they're like, oh, sorry, we're busy right now. We'll call you back in an hour. And I'm like, okay, cool, fine. Of course, they don't call back. A week ago, I call and I'm like, hey, I called you a week ago. I called you 2 weeks ago and you said you would talk to me. I called a week ago and you said you would talk to me. Can I just set up an appointment? And they're like, okay, sorry, we fucked up. We'll set up an appointment. Great. I didn't think about the time zone. So the appointment was like, I'm doing West Coast time right now. For me, it was like a 6 a.m. appointment. It's 9 a.m. Eastern, but it's like 6 a.m. Pacific. So I wake up bright fucking early with like no goddamn sleep. I go to the car dealership and I get there and I'm like, hey, my car's here for the software update. First off, it's a software update. They should just be able to, well, maybe they shouldn't be able to remote do it, but maybe I should be able to authorize setting it up. But anyway, drive in to get the software update, and I go up to the desk, and they're like, "Why are you here? Our appointments don't we don't have any appointments today." And I'm like, what? But, and he's like, "Oh, yeah, we canceled all the software update appointments." And I was like, "Why didn't you tell me?" I would have liked to know, because apparently the software update bricks the car. So I'm glad I didn't go in, or I'm glad I didn't get it, but god damn. Okay, anyway, that's my morning. So I woke up way too fucking early for no goddamn reason, and yeah, that's great. And now I've burned through all of my say hi to people time. let me set this up and then I'll say hi to people. DB day 00 day 07. That'll be part 1. Get ourselves, we're gonna write tests. 2022. Part 2. Part 2. Part 1. Yes, you download it. Okay, let's say hi to everybody. We've got a prediction going too. I can't see who's first. I think it was D-Dals because it's covered by the prediction. Welcome. Graham's iPad's also here. Hello. Tofu. Good to see you. Large Popping. Hello. Keller Marku. Can we get a let's go? Yes, we can. Eric's also here. Excellent. Next, somebody please type MOT in chat. Oh no. I can see where that one's going. Fixter Drake. Hello. Large Popping. Oh wait, I already said hi to you. I say hi to you twice. That's the way things go. Kegs, it's also here. Hello. Arrow Bounce. Welcome back. Oh, I was gonna start stream early because I have 2 things that I needed to do, but I had to fold laundry, and somehow folding laundry took like 25 minutes, so we don't get to do bonus open source stuff today, unfortunately. Eric says December's the only month where I do know what day it is. I guess that's fair. You would know. I am not. James Ebu, welcome to the stream. Hello. The software for the rear view camera? Yeah, right? I see what you have done here with MOTD. This is a common one. The other one is to make it look like a crash log. That one's happened a bunch before. Is the description from the answer to the phone? I don't know. I don't know if you can help me, but I have a socket problem. Google didn't help. I mean, I could, but not right now. Is your car an Apple, right? What makes so I can not get it? An Ani Q5. Red Knights, hello. Meat Finder, how's it going? D-Dals, thank you for the bits, appreciate it. Grootavweer, how's it going? Mikey Man, hello. Rollers, how you doing? Marsha's also here. I'm gonna move to mute early. Okay, sounds good. Oh yeah, right. I should open up thing to refresh as well. Good reminder. Marsha. Hello. Hold on, to just play Pokemon. No, I played Pokemon until 11:10. I was like, I'm gonna give myself lots of time so I can go live early. I stopped playing Pokemon at 11:10, but then folding laundry took forever. Imagine folding laundry when you just pull it out of the dryer. Kedden, I do adult things. I don't have a chair drobe or a bed drobe or a floor drobe or a dryer drobe. I actually put my clothes away. I did see your message, Jamesy Boo. I read chat in order. Moro, hello. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Okay, so we're getting close on time. We got a minute left to go. Make sure we got everything set up. And we're gonna be off for day 7. A lot of people betting no. I guess that's fair. Anything makes leaderboard. That's a lot of babbies going to the. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people getting yes there. Can we get a let's go? Okay, all right. Johnny Man, hello. Luke Lane, how's it going? There's no emote in your chat? I have emotes. Yeah. What do you mean? All right. Well, as usual, I usually ignore chat while I'm solving. So for those that hop in, let them know what's going down, and I'll see you all on the other side. Good luck to everyone who is solving, and have fun. Gupta, hello. Welcome. 5, 4, 3, run the command, 2, 1, and the refresh. Oh my god, it's commands! Yo, this is gonna be cool! Yo. Okay. Lines that are commands that are executed, cdb is change directory, ls is list. Yep, cool, sick. You can figure out the file system. Disk is full is to find directories that are good candidates for deletion. Need to determine the total size of each directory. Oh, this is gonna be such a cool problem. Okay, so we need to have, oh, this is cool. Oh, this is so cool. This problem is pretty easy though. Okay, so let's look at our sample input. This one. And we are what, looking for a big directory? Find all the directories with a total size at most this, then calculate the sum of their sizes. Okay, so we need this. Calculate the sum of their total sizes. These directories are A and E, and the sum of their total sizes is this. Okay. As in this example, this process can count files more than once. Okay, cool. So I think the way I'm going to do this is build the structure and then just try all the directories. It always starts with cd/, which is nice. Line and lines. pwd equals slash or s dot split lines 1:. Okay. So and paths is a how do I represent paths? Union probably. Maybe we'll do directories and files separately. Yeah, that way we don't have to union. Okay. We're gonna do it like this. No, we'll do a state machine. Okay, in dir, in ls, do we have more complicated LSs? No, they are all simple LSs and simple CDs. And they are either up one or down one. There's no complicated. Okay, that's very easy. All right. If line that starts with, I guess we should say in ls equals false. If in ls and line that starts with $, in ls equals false, if in ls, we need to parse. So we have dir. Yeah. If in ls and line that starts with dir, dirs dot set default step path dot join pwd pwd dir name set default to a dictionary elif in ls and line that starts with and line that starts with oh, otherwise it's always gonna be a file. Else files us.path.join pwd okay. And continue. If line is equal to ls, rise it's a CD. Oh, I guess we can just do this. Okay. Yeah. How many files do we have? 1,000? Okay, we don't care about performance. For dir in... Oh, we can analyze. Size dir names dir int really just do a traversal. Oh, this is gonna get expensive quickly, but it's probably fine. For this is the bad part. Outdated version, thank you for the sub. I will read your password in a second if k dot starts with. I should use the path functions, but no. Oh. I just have these full paths. Actually, there's no reason to cache. Maybe I should do this differently. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do it like this. There's pwd file name. No, I like the original way. Look being performant. Okay. No caching. If size is greater than max, return 0. Is it greater than or greater than or equal to? I don't know. It's gonna be broken for the root. I think this needs to be empty string. Maybe we'll just special case the root. Zero. Okay. Let's breakpoint, see what we've got. Oh, this is fucked. How did we end up with that? CDA, CDE. How do we end up with the empty string? That's not how this works, right? Oh. Duh. Okay, on to part 2. Choose a directory to delete. Total disk space is this. Space! You need this. You need to find a directory you can delete that will free up enough space to run the update. In the example, the total size is the outermost directory. Okay. Update still requires a directory which total size exceeds that number. Okay. Blah blah blah. The following options: delete E, which increase unused by that or that. E and A are both too small, deleting them would not free enough space. However, directories D and slash are both big enough. Between these, choose the smallest. Find the smallest directory that, if deleted, would free up enough space to run the update. What is the total size in that directory? Okay, so we know the sizes of each directory. We actually don't care about the number. Can sort that. And we know the root size. Total disk space available is this. To run the update, you need unused space of this. Total size of the outermost directory, and then the unused space is this. I'm very confused by these directions. I think what I'm supposed to do is... Okay, this is the total size. Okay, so we have our size. So total minus root is how much we need to fill up. Is how much we need to get rid of. And so then we just need to find the smallest thing that's greater than that. We could binary search whatever. Equals size for size in sizes. If size is greater than or equal, need to delete. Is this dot sort? We don't have closure. Zero, 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 zero. Oh, I'm an idiot. My God. Well, fuck, it passes the test. That's not good. Oh, this is nonsense. I need to do root minus max. No. What is the name of that? Well, what the fuck? Find the smallest directory that, if deleted, would free up enough space on the file system to run the update. Oh. I just have the wrong math again. Okay, so we have root, we have total, and we have need. So our free space is total minus root. That's what we already have available. So we just need to do need minus free. We need to remove that much. So we need to do need minus total minus root. There we go. Cool. How did I do? Ah, not leaderboard. Still pretty good though. Ooh. Well, there's our points today, chat. Not. Hey, what's up, Larry? And let me read outdated versions notification that I forgot to open. And Moro has subscribed with Prime. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Outdated version has subbed for 30 months. God damn. Ajax, hello, hello. And Fomp, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let me read chat that I missed. Oh my god, you guys talked a lot. DLab SX says, what platform is? What platform be, right? OMG self-promo. Yeah, Eric's allowed. Is your watch running? Is your watch running? Better go catch it. Yep. Go to Dagger. Hello, hello. Okay, so the neat thing about the way this problem is structured, I think this problem is actually pretty easy to do in SQLite. I think my friend to show you how fast you are, but you know, Betaveros, yeah, Betaveros is cracked. I hope you paid Babby taxes on that, or I'm reporting to What is Babby though? How is Babby formed? Painstakingly with terrible curses code. Sorry today involves doing some math. Yeah, I feel like the way this was worded, if the example didn't have all the numbers in it, I feel like I would have understood it a little bit better. Seems like a neat problem. Yeah, I had fun with this. I was actually hoping that the commands were a little bit more complicated than just very simple ones, but that's fine. Red Knight says, can I join your personal leaderboard? Of course! If you join the Discord, it is pinned in the Advent of Code channel. Alright, my solution here is slow as shit, and I don't care. Yeah, we're just gonna be okay with the slow solution today. There is a much faster way to do what I did with a little bit of memoization and recording stuff as you go, but I don't care. I got it working, and that's what I really care about. And I made the right call in not having to optimize by analyzing the input as I went, so I felt good about that as well. But of course you could do that if you want. Day 7 part 1. Need annotation for DIRs. Oh no. We get to use the new MyPy feature. I don't actually know how to do this properly. Actually don't know how to do this properly. Recursive alias mypy. We can finally do this because mypy now supports it. Not yet supported. Yeah, they are. Fuck off. They are. Well, here's free Stack Overflow points for me. Oh, you just self-reference it. So we can say that dirs equals dictstr dirs. Why did he even set it up like that? It's not even. Dirs is just a set. Damn it! I wanted to use a new MyPy feature. Dirs is just a set. I'm just dumb. I literally made this structure for no reason. Yeah. Man. Now, since we have a different data structure, I'm gonna retime it. Faster, because I don't build extra dicks I don't need. We're just gonna be okay with this solution. Is my AOC cover band? Okay. Then we need to make that same fix to here. I feel like there's a subtle bug in my code with the root directory, but I also don't care. Because starts with slash is gonna be, I don't know, I sort of cheesed it on the fly by doing this. Oh no, this works. This works, and I'm glad I cheesed it on the fly. Yeah, that's what we're going with. So 3, 4, 5. Wow, those are pretty variable for some reason. Okay. Day 7 input.txt. Okay, so the way I'm gonna do this is almost the same as I did in Python in SQLite. We don't need too many state variables. We just need PWD and whether we are in an LS. Dignin? Thank you for the follow. Welcome. And Fomp. Oh, did I say hi? I already say hi, Fomp. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. SCB Best of. Welcome to the stream. Day 7 part 2. Dicks are bad, okay? Yeah, dicks are bad. It's true. Alright, day 6. We have not made this problem too hard for SQLite. That's what I am telling myself. Oh, actually we do want that. Alright, so we need... Oh, we're gonna do some terrible single table design. Oh, I think there's another subtle bug with my code as well, which is if you cd into a directory and don't ever ls it, then that's broken, but that's fine. All right, p varchar type varchar. I wish you to say is there bit. This is a terrible table. I'm gonna be storing both the directories and the and the files in here. I need this. Okay, our state is pwd, and we actually are doing killing the first line. Subster s char 10 plus 1. Inster. Okay, so we have the current working directory. We have isdir. And we have we have inls, and we have size. So the things that we are getting are either, oh, we also did path. E. The outputs we either have isdir set or they will have size set. So we will be doing insert into fs select nn.p nn.isdir nn.size from, and we don't care about empty files, so we don't have to worry about those, from nn where nn.isdir or nn.size is greater than 0. So now we need to set up our initial state. Our working directory is slash, nls is 0, p is slash, sure, isdir is dir. This is how we're going to handle the root. I'm just going to say 0 and 0. That way we don't insert this. And we need a special case the root. Do the way we're going to do this. Airman says, finally finished. Found out the hard way that subdirectory names weren't unique. Either that or fixing the issue, fix whatever the actual issue was. I just didn't think about it and went brr, and it worked. So, Fixer Jake, heading off to bed. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so now we need to implement our state machine. Let's take a look at our code here. Doing burr is always the way, says Jesus farted. Interesting choice. Okay. Right. All right. PWD is case subster s 1 inster s char 10. Is that what it is? Select subster inster. Ugh. Create table wat s. Insert into wat values. Hello char 10. Worlds char 10. That way we have something to do. Syntax error. Indeed. Select subster s. Insert s char 10. I think there's a 1 minus. Yeah. Inster -1. Okay. -1 when cd ... Oh fuck. How am I gonna implement dir name in sqlite? Ah! What is NN? I forget why I called it NN. It's been years now, and I keep using it. NN is the name I'm using for my recursive table. I think it originally started as next. I think it was a stream joke actually, but I don't remember anymore. Fuck, how am I gonna implement dir name? Because there's no R split. SQLite. There's split. Subster trim, L trim, R trim. Length. Inster. It's easy to split from the right, but it's impossible to split from the left. But if I represent my directory names backwards? It's so stupid, but I think it'll work. So instead of /home/ace/acetilly, we're gonna have acetilly/home/. This is my home directory now. Oh no. Create table Anthony Y. There's also the other edge cases, which is cd ... from slash. Also join with slash. I can trim. Yeah, I can trim. Or L trim. Oh, we want a L trim slash though. This would be home. And then this would be acetilly slash slash. This is this is fucking insane. This is really cool. This is fucking insane. RF30, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. When we cd ... let's not do that one first. Actually we gotta do this differently. When this equals cd ... I hope I can do that. Okay. Anyone says now you can switch slash and dot, maybe that will make sense. What? I don't know what you mean. Okay, so now we need to find the directory name. So if we have We have this inside of our table. Subster s or inster s char n minus 4. Uh, 4. What am I saying? This be 6. And then minus 6. Okay. When it is CD, then it is subster this should not be S. This should be another rest. And then dot rest 6 inster and then dot rest char. I don't know why I always do char lowercase. But we're going to continue the trend. That concatenated with a slash concatenated with ltrim nn.pwd of a slash. Otherwise, we are not doing anything specific, and it is just what we had before. Okay, that almost handles pwd. Do we need to do ... now? This one says, I beat you today. Nice! Pretty good, pretty good. I think host names are built like that. DNS works like that. DNS is backwards to the way that you usually type it in. Not sure I'm gonna be able to do this on my work stuff. If I can do it in SQLite, you can do it in your work stuff. You also pronounce it wrong. Yeah. I mean, do you but you just don't care? What, do you pronounce it character? Did you say cursor instead of curstar? No. Why do you care about directory names at all? All you need is the sizes? What? I'm pretty sure I definitely need this. Can't think of any way that you do this without this. All right, how do we cd with ... So we can special case the root. Case nn dot pwd win slash, then slash, else. -1. It's so dumb. Subster nn.pwd inster nn.pwd slash. It's 1. Okay, I think we have the directory changes working. I kind of want to see that. So let's get the small input. Oops. Okay. We still need to chop a line at a time. So we have 0, wat, 0, 0, subster, and then dot rest, inster, and then dot rest, char 10 plus 1. Let's see what that looks like. Here, if we print the working directory every loop iteration, it should look the same. Bunch of slashes, bunch of A's. Yay. Ooh. We fuck up here. And then somehow restore it. Okay, so dir name from one directory up is fucked. Can we do that? We can rtrim this for slash and then slap a slash on the end. Fixed. Oh no. You're sure you don't even need to parse names since there's only one cd slash in the input? We never revisit a directory. Don't even need to parse the directory names. I mean, this output shows that we do revisit a directory, so you do need to know. Anyway, I would keep solving it this way. Error and prepare. There's a syntax error. Why did it keep going with the syntax error? Why did it just stop there? Okay. All right, cool. So we have the working directory. That is the first part of this. Okay, the next is in ls. Case nn.inls. For in ls, that will be true unless the line is not equal to this. Case when nn.nls, then case next line. Oh, pain. Okay, when we're in ls, no, this is nonsense. This is nonsense. Found out that today's puzzle is the same as 2018 day 8, only more complicated to parse. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, no, this is wrong. So the problem is, in Python, I took advantage of continues. I need to represent this as just a single state transition for my state variable and these side effects. So NLS gets set to false if it's set starts with $sign and it's not equal to this. When we're in ls, then case nn.rest like $% Okay, when it is a command, then it is this. Otherwise, true. Okay, so if we're already in ls, then we can simplify this. When the line is equal to this, is equal to ls. Good thing I checked that because there is a typo here. Then 1. Okay, if it's ls, we're always listering. When nn.in_ls and nn.rest not like $%, then 1. Otherwise 0. Otherwise 0. Arik, hello, welcome. Okay, I think that gets us our next bit of information. In ls. Where did I put my print? Where did my print go? Here it is. PWD, we actually want to print this at the end of everyone. Now I gotta put it in front of the continues as well. Okay, we ignore the first one. That's fine. Then we should get 5 trues and a false. And then 5 trues, then a false, then 2 trues, then 2 falses, 3 falses, and then the rest trues. Sick. Hi, Light Stars. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, we have the second bit of information. All right, now the next is the path, which is only relevant if we are in ls. Case in ls. When, then something, else 0 end. Yep, solve it in SQL. I am le madman. You know what's really annoying about this output? What's really annoying about this output is, oh, actually no. What's not really annoying about this output is that the second column is always the file name. I rescind my grumbles. But finding where it is gonna suck. Do I have temp table open? Create table with s, insert into with values. Dir 1, 2, no, dir ABC. Care 10. We really only need this, but I should put more in here. 1, 2, 3, F name. Select subster s inster s space +1. 2 inster s char 10 minus inster s space minus 1. Okay. Sick. Sick, let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. Meat Finder, you did it? Nice, nice. Okay, so this will be the file name. We need to slap that onto... We need to combine this with something. Why was there triple dot on the end? So that's the file name. We need to concatenate that with our PWD. So we need this bit of cod. Oh, I'm a madman implementing this in SQLite. I hate this so much. This is so stupid and kind of cool, though. I'm glad I thought of the directories backwards. I'm having fun with this. I'm having too much fun with this. Okay. Okay, let's try this now. What did I say? Else 0? Let's do else empty string. Okay, we can ignore the first one. a/b.text c.dat d. Uh-oh. We have a boog! We have a bug. Anytime there's a CD, we need to ignore it. We ignore anytime it starts with $. Akmo says, are you really going to solve day 7 SQLite? I'm almost done. We almost have it. We've done the hard. The hard part is planning. Planning's out of the way. When in ls and nn.rest, not like a commanderooski. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. Let's fucking go. Yo. Okay. So now that we have that, this is actually very easy. It is nn.rest like dir %. Size is trickier. Ooh, not like this, and at rest, not like there. Okay, we need to parse out. Oh, this is actually easier. Should really leave that temp table open. Detail what s, insert into what values 1, 2, 3, ABC, 10. Select subster s inster 1 inster s space. Probably needs a -1. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, it needs a -1. Needs a -1. Okay, so when that, select subster and then dot rest 1 inster and then dot rest space -1. And now we should have the directory size. And then dot size. So let's print those out in our print Ruskies here. This will just be 0. This will be ints. And keep that one open. Okay. Look at this shit. It fucking works. I'm a madman. Okay, now we just uncomment this stuff. Would have been faster to just do it at this point. Okay, so part 1 is find the sum of the directories that are less than that number. So in order to find the sum of the directories, we can join some group. I want to see your today Python solution. My today Python solution is kind of bad. It's quick and dirty because I knew this was going to take forever. Okay. So if we want to find all the directories, star from fs where is dir, right? Thank you, Moomy, for showing me mode table. Yeah, we have the root. We have A, B, A, D, and EA. Okay, so then what we can do is inner join on ourselves. PP. From fs inner join fs on fs2. It's a self join on not fs2.isdir and fs2.p is like %/ can I concatenate here? God, I hope I can. Otherwise this idea is fucked. I don't know if this just ends with. I think this will work. fs.p. That should get us the sum of our file sizes. I think those numbers are right. AEI 584 or AE is 584. Yeah. A is 94853. D is 24933. Dude, this shit is fucking nuts. Metan Fetamia, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Right, people are gonna be mad about having to parse realistic looking data. This problem is this problem is pretty cool. Let's see, can I do having some fs2 dot size less than, what was it, 10,000? And then we need to sum those. Select sum SZ from. I believe that is what we got for part 1 for the test case. Now let's try the big boy. On to part 2. Oh man. Okay, what the fuck were we supposed to do for part 2? We're supposed to find the smallest one that's less than the difference of those. Create table, Anthony, no. Yeah. The thing is, can I do this in one query in part 2? I think I can do it in one query. Oh, you know what? I don't need this in the select list, so we can actually improve part 1. That was weird. Thing just fell off my desk. We don't need this at all. See, it still works. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what is the value that we needed for this? Where was math? So constants, we don't need constants where we come from. So this minus full. Yeah, this is gonna be very easy to do in SQL. Okay, so we have all the sizes. So we're going to do select size from this order by size ascending limit 1 where size is greater than or equal to this math, and that math is select sum fs dot size from fs. Oh shit, I did it in part 1. No. Ugh. It'd still be fine. Two. By part 2, I mean part 3. No output. Those numbers look way too small. Oh, because we have this thing here. And that is day 7 in sqlite. Oh man. Oh my god. I need a shower just from watching this. This is so cool though. The code is nuts, but you gotta admit that there's a little I don't wanna there's a little bit of genius in representing the file paths backwards so that I can actually string manipulate them. And then implementing a correct dir name that also deals with slash. And join that also deals with slash. All in one pass that makes a nice data set and then a nice little query at the end. I gotta get a little props for that, right? Okay, anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Holy shit, that was fun. All right, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Tomorrow's video is a cool one. You want some spoilers? I am talking about how I automated Pokemon. If you've watched the last bunch of streams, you've seen some of that already, but I think it's a cool video, so you should check it out. Yeah, I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. The next couple of streams are gonna be really scuffed. Because I'm gonna be in Toronto, so we'll see if they even work out. I'm gonna try and bring my old microphone and a second screen, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know, but hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. If not, well, you know why. Yeah, follow the YouTube, the Twitter, the Discord. There's a private leaderboard in the Advent of Code channel on the Discord if you want to join that. And let's go find someone to raid.